Welcome, sweet enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring 5 delectable treats. Can you guess them all while learning a few tasty tidbits along the way? Let's indulge. I hide in jars, both big and small. Take just one or maybe them all. What am I? It's a cookie. Fun fact, cookies date back to 7th century Persia. They were originally test-baked before making cakes, giving us the cookie as a delicious bonus. I'm layered with frosting, cream, or jam, a centerpiece for every birthday plan. What am I? It's a cake. The tradition of birthday cakes began in Germany. They used candles, symbolizing love, celebration, and wishes coming true. I come in bars or bites so sweet, chocolatey squares you love to eat. What am I? It's a brownie. Brownies were first created in the United States. I'm crisp and golden, a grid so neat, topped with syrup, berries, or sweet. What am I? It's a waffle. Waffle Day is celebrated on March 25th. Bright and colorful, soft and light. I melt in your mouth with pure delight. What am I? It's a macaron. These French confections have a fascinating history, appearing as early as the 16th century and evolving into the delicate almond-based treats we know today. There you have it, 5 sweet mysteries unveiled. Which one surprised you the most with its story? Comment below, share your favorites, and subscribe to continue our delicious journey through history and flavor.